Hello dear students, welcome to the YouTube channel of Profound EduTech. So we are back here once again with an exciting campus update for you. But before going ahead, we would like to remind you to do subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also don't forget to click on the bell icon in order to receive all our updates regularly and instantly. Yes, so dear students, we are pleased to inform you that Tech Mahindra have recently announced to mention on their website that they are going to hire 2021 batch and 2020 batch students, and we are here to give you an insight about the same. So yes, as you know that Tech Mahindra is one of India's leading IT MNC. They are a 5.2 billion US dollars company with more than 120,000 professionals working across 90 countries, and they are helping close to 1,000 global customers, including Fortune 500 companies. So if you would like to get more information about Tech Mahindra, do visit their website, which is www.techmahindra.com. So yes, as they have mentioned on their website, we are sharing here with you the eligibility and criteria. So as far as eligibility is concerned, BE, BTech, and MCA, these are the courses which are eligible for the current recruitment plan of Tech Mahindra. And 2021 batch students, that is those who are in final year currently, and 2020 batch students, those who have recently passed out, they are eligible to apply for this recruitment process. As far as specializations of engineering are concerned, the computer branches, information technology branch, ENTC, ENC, that is electronics and communication, electronics, communication, and telecom. These are the eligible branches for this particular requirement. As far as marks are concerned, you should have 60% mark, that is in your 10th, 12th, your diploma, as well as BE. And if you are a MCA student, you should have 60% in your MCA also. Okay. Make sure that if you have done both the courses, that is 12th standard as well as diploma, it is expected that you should have 60% in both the qualifications. Okay, they have mentioned this on their website. Yes, a very important instruction is that you should mention your marks strictly in terms of percentage. Okay, and do not mention your CGPA or pointer. Okay, because if you are going to mention your CGPA or pointer, then you are going to be disqualified and you will lose your candidature. Okay, so this point also they have very clearly mentioned and highlighted that students should mention their marks in terms of percentage only. Okay, so make sure you do this. And yes, if you're applying for this particular process, you should not have appeared earlier in last 6 months for any campus drive of Tech Mahindra. So this is basic eligibility and criteria for this particular requirement. Yes, so in order to get more details about this requirement and to apply, you should visit this particular URL, which is bit.ly slash profound tech m. Okay, it's bit.ly slash profound techm. So do visit this URL in order to find more details as well as to apply for this particular requirement of Tech Mahindra. So yes, I hope you have found this video useful. And if you are freshers and if you're not able to crack campus process of your, or if you are willing to prepare more in aptitude soft skills, you are welcome to join Profound EduTech's campus preparation training program. Yes, we are going to launch this campus preparation training program at only rupees 999, and this is going to start in March itself in order to prepare you more and well for campus preparation. So what we are going to cover in this program is uh, all typical what you call topics which are asked in any campus recruitment process, right from your aptitude, which will include these topics, right from basics, number system, averages, percentage, to the advanced topics. Yes, we are also going to cover reasoning abilities. These are the topics: analytical reasoning, visual reasoning, logical reasoning, etc. And we are also going to cover verbal ability plus soft skills. And these are, as you know, the typical topics which are asked, or rather typical sections which are included in any campus recruitment process of most of the companies. So you should register for this program on the given link bit.ly/online-trg, ONLINE-TRG. So if you are interested and if you are willing to enroll for this particular training program, you are requested to register on the given link, which is bit.ly/online-trg, and we will get back to you with the further details. So we hope that you have been finding all our campus updates, workshop updates, training updates useful. And in order to get more such updates, be in touch on our various contact sites. We are available on Facebook, and we have more than 51,000 likes to our Facebook page. Do like our Facebook page in order to get more updates. Yes, as I mentioned earlier, do subscribe to our YouTube channel where you are watching this video right now. And we are also available on Telegram, where we post our updates regularly. And as far as our website is concerned, our website is www.profoundedutech.com. So yes, do visit our website, as there is a lot of useful information for you. And also refer your friends, classmates, cousins to all our social networking channels, so that even they can get all our updates regularly. So thank you, students, for joining here, and hope to see you soon once again with yet another useful video. Thank you.